Good morning students. I welcome you all for another lecture video on biolubricants. So in this lecture video we will discuss about the advantages of biolubricants over conventional lubricants. So the main advantage of biolubricants is that they are non-toxic in nature. So here toxicity indicates the level of harm it's caused to the users. So in case of manufacturing sector, toxicity indicates the harm effects caused by these lubricants to the machining operators. So various harm effects include skin cancer, skin irritation, and similarly other airborne diseases. So these problems are caused by the petroleum based lubricants. So when we use biolubricants, those problems will be eliminated. And another example of biolubricants, another advantage of biolubricants is the biodegradability factor. So as we discussed, biodegradability indicates the ability of the material to be broken down into simpler compounds over a period of time. So most biolubricants are biodegradable in nature and they will be broken down into simpler compounds over a period of time without causing any harm to the surrounding environment. So that's a major advantage of these biolubricants. So another thing is energy efficiency. So as discussed in the previous lecture video, the biolubricants are polar in nature and they tend to adhere to the surface of the tool as well as the workpiece. So when they adhere to the surface of the tool and workpiece, they provide better lubrication. So when better lubrication is provided, better heat transmission is achieved. So when heat transmission is achieved, there is no harm done to the surface of the tool or workpiece in terms of thermal damage. So this in turn increases the surface finish of the workpiece, and also it improves the tool life. So by using biolubricants, better surface finish of the workpiece as well as better tool life are obtained. So these two factors contribute to the increase in the energy efficiency while using biolubricants. So what are the benefits of using biolubricants? We have discussed exhaustively in the previous slide itself. It's renewable in nature, it is energy efficient in nature. So what are the benefits of using biolubricants in automotive sector and in automotive maintenance? So they can be used in engine oil. So the performance of the biolubricants are superior when compared to conventional lubricants in terms of wear reduction and also increased lubrication and longevity. So when we use biolubricants, since the wear is reduced, what happens is that the longevity of the components, namely engine components, are increased, and environmental concerns. So biolubricants, as we have discussed earlier, they are biodegradable in nature and hence the environmental concern is reduced. So like any products, biolubricants also pose some disadvantages. So disadvantages include cost. So cost of biolubricants are somewhat higher when compared to conventional lubricants, and also availability, compatibility. So availability of biolubricants plays a major role. So this can be eliminated by choosing widely available lubricants. So while there are many natural oils available, so if you choose widely available oils and also non-food grade oils, the availability can be reduced, availability problem can be reduced, compatibility. So when using biolubricants, you should do compatibility analysis whether they react with the material which lubrication is provided. So if you do those things, the disadvantages can be eliminated. So what are the future scope for biolubricants? So major problem with petroleum based lubricants is the environmental impact. So many countries are providing or imposing bans on these petroleum based lubricants. For example, European Union is restricting the use of these mineral oil based lubricants. Hence many industries are moving towards sustainable biolubricants. So that is a major area for growth of these biolubricants. So future of lubrication, you can say, is biolubricants. So thank you students. We'll see in another lecture video.